Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to my new video with me, Ramadan Mubarak. As you know, yesterday I made a video about PowerPoint, but today I am going to tell you how to use Paint, and Paint 3D. So starting with the easy one. So I have opened Paint 3D. So this will pop up. So okay, now this plus sign will come. If you click it and move your mouse, it draws this. This is the pencil right now. So now from the easiest one, the shapes and the tools. First, the tools. The tools are here. This is the pencil. This is the shape fill. It's filled the shape. And this is the text. You can make a box and write, hello, my name is Abdul Rahman. Okay, wait, Rahman. Oops. A B. Okay, it's totally wrong. I don't know why. Okay, I don't know. It changes it. So when I have added, so wait, let me just. Okay. So that was not as I think it would be. So wait, let me draw something. Okay, so now here is the rubber. So you can just do it by this way, but the easiest way is to do this from here. So now this is a color picker, but you don't need those. So this is the zoom in and zoom out button. You can zoom out by clicking, right clicking, and zoom in by left clicking. So wait, let me just. Okay, so the next is, these are some brushes. I want this brush, suppose. Okay, now I can just make this. I don't know. Okay, this is the brush. These are some brushes that you can use to draw. So these are the brushes. We go to the next group. This is the shapes group. Now you can add some shapes. You can add some shapes. Suppose this one, I have drawn this, but this is a unique one because when you draw this, it can change. It can change its, when it can change its flexibility. So yeah, that's why I call it unique. Same as the other one. You can just drag them like this and do it. Suppose, okay, I'll do this. Now we can just fill it, but there's a solid color. I'm not going to do any fill. So here are some. You must be thinking that it can be a solid color, but it's not. So yeah, the outline you can also choose, but the size is very good. You can change its how fat it is, like this, and this is the colors group. Now you can change the color of your shape or your pencil. So you can just change. There are two of these, so you can just change them by using. I want the number color 2 to be. Oh, I'm using. Okay, I don't know what's happening, but it's not using color 2. So you can change. You can also change here, but here's the fun part. This is the panels, so you can just change it as your way, like this. I just want it extra purple. It's still doing that. So I don't know. I'm just going to do it on color 1. See, it's doing very dark pink, so you can call it red. So the before, these spaces were not full because they were not filled because I can just do it from here. So then they come, so you don't have to do that again. So we go to the next one. This is the same I told you. Now it is doing color. Okay, no, it's not color. Okay, so you can zoom in by clicking this, zoom out by clicking this again. Okay, so we go to the this. You can make it as a grid, as lines, but I don't want it. I just want it status bar. So we can do it full screen also. And yeah, that's it for this one. We go to Paint 3D. Yay! Hey go. I don't know. Okay, now it's opened. Okay. Now here is the thing that it shows a welcome screen. So I don't need the welcome screen because I can just open it from here. No problem. So here are the brushes. You can just change the brushes by using this crayon, and from here you can change its thickness, and this is the capacity, how you want it, so light. So yeah, you can just change the color by using this, and the material by using this. You want this, you don't want this, you want this, or you want this. So wait, let me just do it marker. So it's a little bit glossy when you do it. Polished metal or dull polished metal. So it's a little bit glossy, but by default it's matte. So we go to the next one, 2D shapes. Same in the paint, there are 2D shapes, and I have added it. So I wanted solid color. I want solid color red. Okay. Oh, sorry, this is the fill. Okay, solid. I want solid. I didn't get its name. So I wanted solid yellow. So here's my shape. So I just want to undo it. So same for the other shapes. Next we go to the 3D shapes. This is I don't know what is this. It makes a 3D I don't know what line. You can make it by using this pencil type, and you can use this as it's very thin, so you can just focus on it more better than that doodle. So the same as this, when you move this and when it comes back here, it makes a oops, I don't know what's happening. Okay, now I made it. So let me just undo it. So now we go the cube. The cube here is blue. Okay, the cube here like this. You can change its color. I want a yellow, and when I select this all, but no need for that. That's way complicated. This is just for beginners. I don't know why. So this is just for beginners. Okay. So okay. So this is my cube. So next is you can change it before you can add it. So as these things. So there are 3D models for this one. This is a man. You can just make it tilt like this and just move it like this. So yeah. So then we go to the stickers. stickers, it's just people mostly don't use it. For example, yeah, this rainbow. You can drag the rainbow here, so you can just change it. You can also make it 3D, so it looks better. But it's still a sticker, so yeah, it cannot be fully 3D. So I'm just going to undo it. Okay, now there are some textures. Let me add one. So I don't think so anyone was use this. Okay, now here is you can add your sticker. So you just click add sticker and you just come here and add your picture. For example, this Bugatti is going to add it here like this. Here it's added. So it also came in my history. So next is the text. So I want my text to be 2D. You can also make your text 3D. Okay. You can just change. For example, I wanted to show this style, so it changes its style. Wow. Okay, good. So you can change its size also, change its color. It's yellow. You can make it bold. You can make it italic. You can make it underline. I don't know why. Oh, I didn't even notice it. Let me just select it. Let me just come here. So I can just align it. So the background fill is also there. So I just want it deleted. Excuse me. Let me just delete it. Okay. So then we go to the effects. Now this is just to change your canvas from here. Oh, my audio got off. So you can just change your canvas from here. There are some, you can just rotate it like this. You can also do it like this. So it's in pixels. So I don't want it in percents. Okay, let me see in percent. It's 100% width and height. This is the pixels. So transparent canvas. So transparent canvas is just for nothing. So you can just zoom in from here, a zoom panel, and you can just crop your canvas, and the magic select. The magic select is not necessary. So that's it for today. Allah Hafiz.